Good morning, guys. I'm going to go over what we are doing for the 20th anniversary of 9/11. And I want to start out by saying that some of the things that you will see and that we will learn about, it's hard to see. This was a horrible tragedy. And if it makes you feel emotional, that's okay because it is something hard to learn about. So you'll see that we have 2 days to complete this assignment. So if you're at home today, you've got today and tomorrow to get this done. So you'll go to your assignment in Canvas, 9/11 History and Sources, and you are going to go ahead and make a copy of this document. So you're going to need to make a copy, and then the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to move it to your ELA folder. So always remember to do that. And then what we are going to do with this assignment is we are actually going to be watching a lot of videos, and we are going to be looking at a lot of sources and looking at newspaper articles, news reports, looking at artifacts, looking at art, like things that people created artistically after the attacks of 9/11. So once you get to this document and you have moved it to your ELA folder, you're going to just go through the document and you're going to fill it in. Wherever there are blue links, that means that that is a source that you get to refer back to. So what qualifies as a primary source? If you click this link, it's going to take you to the Library of Congress, and on that site, it's going to tell you what a primary source is if you don't remember. So again, you just click that source, click that link, it'll take you right there, and it will show you. Give it a second to think. It's thinking. There you go, primary sources. So we want to be under the primary sources, and here are your examples. Articles, original research or thought, diary, memoirs, letters, lots of information in here. So you would go there, and then you would fill that in on your handout here. And it's just a text box that you can type directly into. You're going to watch this film. This is going to take you to the film about the man in the red bandana, and you'll answer those questions underneath it. Then we're going to get to this part here where we're going to look at a bunch of sources. Again, all of these are links. So all of these are going to take you to archives and artifacts about that specific type of source. So this first one is television broadcasts. This is going to be a collection of audio, video, and photographs, drawings, newspapers, and artifacts. So you're going to go to each of these, and then you're going to tell me what primary source did you use, tell us about it, and what did you learn from looking at that specific source. So you kind of get to go through and pick and choose what you would like to look at and review. And again, some of these things are hard to watch and learn about. Then you'll answer these last two questions here. And the final thing that I'm going to ask you to do is to become the reporter. And I want you to interview somebody about their experience in 9/11. So you just need to find somebody who is older than 20, because at this point, this happened 20 years ago, so that you can interview them. And you will tell me like who you interviewed, what do they remember? How did they experience 9/11? Where were they? And what happened? And then finally, your reflection. Why do you think it's important to learn about 9/11 now that you've seen and heard from multiple perspectives? So you've got 2 days to get this filled out. I know it's a lot of research. I know it's taking you to a lot of websites, and you're going to see a lot of different things. So as you are working, of course, anytime you have trouble with something, any questions that you have, make sure that you reach out to me, and I'm happy to help. Have a good day.